ICE Marine Thermostat, OEM 6G8-12411-01-00, a high-quality replacement designed for Yamaha outboards from 9 horsepower to 60 horsepower, including popular 4-stroke and T-Series models. This thermostat precisely regulates coolant flow at 60 degrees Celsius, preventing overheating while ensuring efficient combustion, smooth performance, and long engine life. Compatible with models like F9.9, F15, F25, F30, F40, F50, F60, T8, T9.9, and T60, and replacing earlier versions such as 6G8-12411-00-0002-00 and 03-00. It delivers OEM-level fitment and reliability. Built from corrosion-resistant marine-grade materials for harsh water conditions and designed as a direct replacement with easy installation, it's the perfect solution for maintenance, repairs, or engine restoration. Available through ICE Marine at iceboatparts.com, by email at seller@icemarine.cc, or WhatsApp at +886 966 468632.